We are at Versailles State Park here in southeast Indiana. This is Catfish's first time going solo in his own kayak. What do you think, Catfish? You gonna do it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's have some fun. It's a hot day. We're gonna get out on the water. Feels better in the shade, doesn't it? Yeah, there's lots of geese over there, isn't there? Must be Goose Island over there. What do you think? Is this a cool way to explore? You like the freedom of being able to do it yourself? Yeah. Yeah, of course. That's why I wanted it.
The babies are so huge. Bubble giraffes manage it somehow.
Yep.
Even though their baby's like 6 feet tall.
Right?
That's taller than most people.
And they come out walking.
Yeah.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
This is some kind of lagoon. It's going to get...
What are ticks good for, though?
That I don't know.
Much more skaters 10 years ago.
Yep, they definitely come used to humans, huh?
Yeah.
What'd you think about your first paddle, buddy?
Not too bad, although I'm definitely hot and sweaty.
Yeah, it's like close to 100 degrees today, and in the sun even more, I'll bet. But I'll tell you what, I am really glad I got me a new paddle, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. More adventures. Good job, buddy. All right.